Turn off the power of the water heater, restart it, and show the process of the equipment returning to normal. Check the terminal connection between the sensor and the controller. If it is loose, reinsert it firmly. If it is still abnormal, show the operation of replacing the faulty sensor.